Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the Elementary Essential Digital Planner to show you how to enable the Apple Calendar links by downloading and installing my shortcut, which is included with the purchase of this planner. Step 1 is to turn on private sharing and activate Stage Manager. So you'll need to turn on your private sharing in your Shortcuts app, which you'll find in your iPad settings. You can type in Shortcuts at the top in the search bar, and it's the logo with the S in it. Just turn on private sharing, and you can turn this off again after you've installed my shortcut. So the next thing to just turn on is Stage Manager, and you will find this in your multitasking and gestures settings on your iPad. So if you just type in multitasking in the search bar whilst in your settings, you should find this screen, and just need to make sure that Stage Manager is selected. It just means that when you click on a link, a calendar link in your planner, it will briefly open the Shortcuts app in the background and then take you back to GoodNotes or whichever note-taking app you're using. So just make sure that Stage Manager is turned on. Split view and slide over will work as well. But I personally prefer Stage Manager because it automatically maximises the screen again, whereas with split view and slide over, you have to actually expand your window in your planner again. So I recommend Stage Manager. Step 2 is to download and install the calendar shortcut. On the first page of the planner, in the top right corner, you will notice the shortcuts symbol. To install the shortcut, you just need to click on the symbol, and you'll be asked if you want to open the link. Just click yes, and then you'll be invited to add my shortcut to your gallery. So you just need to click the add shortcut button and then follow any on-screen instructions. Once you've done this, you'll have the shortcut on your iPad, and you won't need to do this process again. So if you were to buy another of my planners which has the calendar integration, you can just skip this step because you'll already have the shortcut. Step 3 is using the Apple Calendar links within the planner. So the next thing we can do is just go ahead and start using the links in the calendar links in this planner. So I'm going to head to one of my vertical layouts by clicking on this vertical icon in the top right, and from here I can go to any vertical week of the calendars, and I'm just going to choose, let's say, the 29th of October here. I'm going to put in a meeting into my Apple Calendar, and I'm going to do that just by clicking on the time of the meeting. So I'm going to say it's at 10 o'clock, so I'll just click 10 a.m. I'll be asked to open this external link, so I'm just going to click yes. Shortcut app runs briefly in the background, and then your calendar box will pop up at the right day and the right time. So I'm just going to type in meeting. Just click copy before I just close this down. I'll leave it in that calendar for now. Click add, bring back my calendar, and it's added it into there. So I'll just go back to GoodNotes, and then I can just copy and paste my meeting event, and I'll just move it to 10 a.m. and there we go. And that will work for any of the times on this timeline. And if I just head to my horizontal weekly layout from here, you can see I can quite easily switch between the two weekly layouts. I've gone to exactly the same week, and I can just put in the same meeting. And if I was to click on the date here, obviously there's no timeline, so I can't choose a specific time. But if I click on Tuesday the 29th, click yes, again the calendar should pop up on the 29th. And the time is zeroed out because there's no specific time. So you would just put in your event, and you could click all day or set a specific time. And It's as easy as that. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions regarding the planner, please do feel free to get in touch. Have a great day.